Hello, we're back at it again. It's ISS. It's going to be probably the final pass for me. Local time is 23:40 in the shack, and we've got a good signal as usual as it makes its pass. Right now we're up at 28 degrees above the ground.
Tango Zulu, good evening Bill, Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu Uniform, Julia November 45.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, IO93 listening.
Golf 6 Yankee Tango Zulu, 59 Julia November 4573.
To QISS, Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra, Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu Uniform, 59 Julia November 45. Over Romeo.
Italy Kilo 2 Golf Zulu Uniform. Thanks very much for coming back. You 59 Italy Oscar 93 Mike 0 Yankee Kilo Sierra.
USA, thank you. Good evening. Nice to meet you, Simon. You're 59 Julia November 45 QSOs.
Yeah, QSL, you're coming through great and lovely to work you tonight. Have a great weekend. 7-3 and ciao.
Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet.
Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, Golf 0 Kilo Uniform X-Ray.
Golf 0 Kilo Uniform X-Ray, Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, 59 India November 80.
Thank you, you're 5 and 9, it's the Oscar 91, QSL.
QSL Peter, thank you so much, 73.
3.
Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot Victor Lima Juliet November 36.
Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot Bravo Lima, Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, India November 80.
Thank you, you're 59 Juliet November 36, Foxtrot Mexico, sign Hotel Bravo 9.
Thank you.
Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu Uniform, Julia November 45.
Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu Uniform, Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, 59 India November 80. Thank you.
Thank you, have a good weekend, ciao ciao, thank you.
Papa Delta 0, Tango Radio.
Delta 0 Tango Radio, 59 India November 80, Hotel Romeo Juliet.
Papa Delta Tango Radio.
Papa Delta
So yeah, I
0
like
Tango Radio,
listening
Echo Alpha
sometimes.
4 Hotel Romeo Juliet, 59 India November 80.
Echo Alpha 4, Papa Delta 0, Tango Radio. 5.
Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Juliet.
Echo Alpha 4, Hotel Romeo Juliet.
Juliet, 59 India November 80.
Roger, Roger, thank you.
So yeah, nice pass from ISS on Friday night, and we're in the shack of M0 YKS. Hope you enjoy the videos.
Hotel Bravo 9, Foxtrot Victor Lima, Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu Uniform.
Italia Kilo 2 Golf Zulu Uniform Maurizio Bonafera 659 in Juliet November 36 QSL.
QSL, ciao Ivan, buonasera, buongiorno quasi, anche per te 5-9, Giulio November 4-5, ok?
Ok Maurizio, 100%, buona fine della settimana, 73, buona serata, ciao.
Ciao ciao, buona serata, buon weekend.
So yeah, coming to the back end of the pass now. Nice signals tonight. Plenty of activity, a little bit more sensible.
Italy Kilo 2, Golf Zulu
Quite a few
Uniform.
decent contacts being made. I've worked most of these guys, so it's nice enough just to sit back and enjoy the pass.
QSL 777,
still getting the space station at the fringes of the footprint. That about concludes the pass. I will be back throughout the weekend, and I'm probably going to try and get some outdoor stuff done once the space station starts to come through a little bit earlier. We'll give the Retivis a go with the built-in satellite tracking. Still to try that out. So thanks for following all the escapades with me here in the shack. And yeah, like I say, you don't always have to chat. Sometimes it's good to just take a listen, especially if it's a lot of guys you've already worked. So give a few other people opportunity. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll catch up with you throughout the course of the weekend, more than likely. And if not, have a great one. Memory free from M0YKS. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe button, and we'll see you next time around.